The friend Samuel. The question, and they say, Bible say, assuming a hand tracker. Now, Argentina and Crabofo, Omukumunama, Yanni a piece of body, as you say, Chris, when you was coming here, 20 and fear back or Habra, that's what couldn't be here with the Macabonia only. Argentina Chris of also dignity in Crabofo.
Medas. Mama suffer. Yet, I am your mammy. Amen.
Amen.
Yedika. James 8:2. A Christ of 4:4 Acts. James to a Christ of 4:4. Our Acts. Yeah.
James chapter 15 verse 13 down. Yakubu afutu.
Afutu.
Na one anusiyen. Yakubu biya say nuanom. Muntie me. Simon akase do Yakubon kwahwa amaman no mu. Kwankyerefo yi o ma bi firi wo mu man din. Yesu na difo na nsebisi. Se de watwero se. Num akiri no. Yenum akiri no mesane ma besi de bi ntuma dan ahwe ase ne bio.
Ahwe ase ne bio.
Na masidi e wadwire no bio. Na mama so bio. Na nipa aka na ne amaman a obebo midin wo mu no nyina ahwehwe awurade akiri kwan. Awurade a oma wo hu yenum nyina firi wiase ase firi no na oka. Enti ma asem a me wo meka ne se won ha wona wo firi amanaman ni mu adane abanyankopon nchen no. Na won twere nkoma won se wonyi won hu firi abosom afidie ni adwamamo ne mmo a wanhwie mu mogya anguo na wo wuye ni mogya hu. Na efitete no na mosi wo wona a wakane nsem nkuro nyina mu na wakenkan ni hia de mu.
Amen. Amen. One was about a future on the man. Yanni, I imagine Christo. And they said, Yankee and one free a bosom a fidi. Number 2, a more one show moja. Amen.
Amen.
Sir, will be a bosom for. That's a bosom for Kumunamo. There is no need to say a Christian here who could be. I have finished some of the mouth. Amen.
Amen.
And as obeying ye and a radi Yesu Christian should be a Christian for 10 years. There is no need. Sir, one and a ton Sakuraya, dear. Sana, my monarch. It is a way of Christian here. Cramonia Kumna. Also, could be. The Bia Mundin Sala. Now we're trying to know the check. Also, got to be young. And yet, Amen. Amen. Fine. Anna, Paul Supercast was in here for total gas in our Mundi, Namusa. We got to Makotani, the Koya to Amman. The new second will need a way free you. You may so, Amen. Amen. The matter what you say. My talk, nothing and babies are saying, one of the the matter what you must say. One of you say, a common devil, a rat chopper, and a restaurant, the contrary. Nothing and babies are saying, one of the no. You may so, Amen. Never manipulate. What you may so, Amen. Say a common number, you common number, I don't watch it. I was 17, the Christian. Nama Kurama. I was Amen.
Amen. That's it. Remind me that's it.
Let me show. Second batch.
Hallelujah.
Praise the Lord.
Your friend Yabuah Samuel.
Yabuah Samuel.
That me pacho masem wisano Genesis chapter 25, verse 1. And First Chronicle chapter 1, verse 32.
Genesis 25,
verse 1.
verse 1. Abraham ni ketura. Kenkan.
Genesis chapter 25 verse 1 down. Abraham ni Ketura ma. Na Abraham wa yiri biu na ne din de Ketura.
Ketura.
Na o Samram ne Yeksan ne Mekidam ne Midian ne Isabak ni Sualman. Na Yeksan wo Seba ne Ditan. Na Ditan ma ne Asor for ne Yetus for ne Limon for Amen.
And First Chronicle chapter 1 verse 32.
132. Then second question, 132. She said,
Second Chronicles chapter 1. First Chronicles chapter 1 verses number 32. Ose na Abraham mpena Ketura ma.
That is in fact, Masem we say woman is a Genesis chapter 25. Was see Abraham wari yiribi. Na the amentias you breast some woman you can. And they say was it a home so Abraham mpana. I didn't know when we try to hamper and answer or try to
oh, Mama, Sama. La Misha. Yedika, Emi. Our real I'm in trouble. Our first wife. Bible said, "Already the money of my Bible dream." So abandi wu now ware fofra ndi pa ni mu no ye wu ni say ye but already ni so wo yira anka say na what is it
then tikramoni be ka say hono Abraham mpana da nze no de nya no ko
okay I am para ketura I am practicing it Pepe.
That's why you're not one you.
Okay, Sarai, who she are now for. What was it? What's a Ghana Hakurawa? We know a bit of Boko, I was saying. We know a bit of the wife of you. No, you didn't. One and I will be a million, sir. It doesn't mean, sir. We don't know. We want to know who's sex. So, Bible not children. So now I am a pana. What was it? I'm going to say, hey, yes, sir. The Gamuphone was Abraham. Sarah, so can say, funny. What was it? What the name man aware. Sarah can show the name man aware. So Abraham and no daddy. But Opa guarantee answer. No what chip. So I am from Romans in Juke. Amen. The Bajawatias. Indeed. Why not get to that one? I am from Indeed, the Ansana Abraham Ebewuno. Na mema woja Ketura manekwan. Woja wonkwan. Na me de omu di ade enyeye. Jeme so amen. No ode na japade nyina ma. Isaac. Sana bibuti. Amen. Okay. Udi
Tampa As3m Akwasi Awuah. Masem bisa Revelation 21:8.
21:8.
Revelation chapter 21 verse 8.
Verse number 8.
Na ehufo ni wona wonyi ni achiwadeyofo ni ewudifo ni nyamanmofo ni edutufo ni abosonsonfo ni atrofo nyina benya won chefa wotade a eja ni sofin deri munum eni ubiri munum amen.
Tampa Masem bisa ne sɛ Awurade nam so akyerɛkyerɛ sɛ John the Baptist ɔka Yesu ne Nyankopɔn cabinet no ho. Na mpɛ sɛ mbisa sɛ obi a ɔka Nyankopɔn cabinet no ɛyɛ dɛn na ehu ɛna afei so doubting ɛda so enim na nso ɔka Nyankopɔn cabinet na Bible si yɛn nso de ehufoɔ enya nkwagyeɛ. Amen.
Omo nsam na I'm saying, some tradition na wushie bia. Eboa. Amen. Ye tie nie. One man ka cabinet ni onyina me ka tro say, ye bon wa really free. Accept Christ alone. Ye bon mu nyina really free. Amen. The matter what must say. Shadio. Atiase 49. Penim 49. Amen. First part chapter, second part chapter. The moment you know the free. We will share for no Christ when you want that. You say amen. To one and no pick it. What am I saying? Fine. The entire John the Baptist, no one knew who for. John the Baptist knew who for. Of course, now we something about John the Baptist, no one knew who for. Going to be pointing to her the someone Sakara Madi. You say amen.
Amen.
Ka want me pointing and Herod said, Sakrawadi, what communia Philip, a funny yere. What do you mean? Na sure for and a calling chain. I got catching the same. What dance the demon? When our born might be a friend as retination. And our car said, was so son. Go hands at Trania, oh yeah. Why was that here? According to say, you no. The John the Baptist in your doubting. They were so amen.
Amen.
Not going to hear him. Bankasana John the Baptist. Not going to hear him. In the job, you are not catching us a moon called Busan or not a battle. And I'm a rough frog. Jesus, tell you what did you put an answer? As a monk can't say your hand is sent the front for a we are for nothing. As what if 4 years, what can some panel such a yearful? The shrouded dear, not can I get the other. One can say shrouded you for. Did not John the Baptist in you who for? They were not can I hear. Amen.
Amen.
Like you hear. Sanity.
Amen.
If I told you an hour man on it, because here we are TV in the ocean. The cow said, the beer will be on the joy there be a 4 questions. Now, your papa said, only a baby. That's how you made the yeti. About what my trust and what yes. The third program is here as As3m Ntease3. Jinambe, now also to me a friend 050 34 70 500 050 34 70 500 020 2054 026 020 2054 026 0245 14 22 70. And one other test to message alpha 0245 14 22 70. And at 0242 72 02 52. For the bar, the picking. Amen. Amen. Message kakra about on Facebook. Obapa Rebecca if you US in the body. Was this for I actually dear one American man who said, or quite sorry, I saw for the people which almost said, and yes, so Oba shirt trousers at the bar sorry because weather no. I won't eat now on Tears. It's Wadaroma of a sort of once. Amen.
Obapa Rebecca, USO, Medal CP. Amen. Adia Bakwa, young seven. At times, we Christians, Yanyadiam and Wedley people, ancient. Name of Omadi Biba. Naya Christopher Nakofadia. Amen. Obia Bakatro se Bruni, the custom. Say your bar, Bruni, custom. And then, trousers and Oboa. Oboa. English Bruni, Queen Elizabeth. Amen. Britain. A normal custom. I'm go back to the history. Amen. USA, United States of America, and your man custom and the transaction. Oko the history about the normal custom and transaction. Amen. We are seeing corner nimuno. And I'm a son of money in the change. You may say amen. And the real see animal corners and corner what three name. If it's a real sense, you are what three name. A call on the body. Amen. The Bachawati said, and my intimate is a real set down there. Once you are the other. Real set down in which way? Is it righteous area or sinful area? Amen. Amen. Fine. Mama Tradi. Trouser. Yakan. Did he come to Deuteronomy? Deuteronomy
22 verse 5.
22:5.
Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 5. Oba ensure bere maadi. Na bere manso infira oba ntuma. Efise wona wo ye nyina ye urade nyankopon achiwade.
Oba nsha bere maadi. Bere manso infira oba ntuma. Wona wo ye saade ye urade nyankopon de achiwade. Yan shadio. Fine. Flap. Mami nyina waka. Flap. Wait. Yetime di to left. Yetime di to right. Left purposely for lefty. Right purposely for obi o using the right. Amen. One shot side also. The Busa American be a friend of Larry Testament. Or Brahma shirt. Not shirt no. The bottoms no. That were left to see. And I'm saying, Mardy, I was who told you. Or no, you're lefty. Amen. Why was that here? But we Ghanaians, you nip. You're trying to say, so flap on it and left here. I am Mardy. You're the flap at all. And it says, Sabi, Oba, and the Sabarima. Our crime bishop. Sabarima Kogunshia, Obia the flap now, with me Gunshu. Oba Kogunshia, Obia flap, and I bet me a Gunshu. That says no. Oh, it's a big mistake. You see, I'm not yet the one. When we say, Mamma, said trust and said, I want the warm one. Jimmy so amen. What do you pass a jeans? A boss of time. Slow, I want to do what? Yeah, boy. and I shall dress and I kick out. The baby or yan and tap. What you must have about Amen. What you mean, one of my money. Into dress and a dear. And yet, some of your bar worship. After all, doctors say, I was so bad, Sabi. And because I say heat, I can't. They may say, Amen. Timothy can say me. First Timothy
chapter 2,
2,
verses number 11.
9.
First Timothy chapter 2, verse 8 down. The person very much bomb pie and bag in a man say, won't hear before. Silent sooner, man shan't idea say,
Shut idea, a set.
Infer a new word, dear, near a dream
with tear
and kick out.
the dancing. I want to cry. You may say, Amen. When you are bad, shut idea. Because what I said, and this is the young father said, you're free, and grand ever. You better do a quail. And when you know a pity, Mamma, you know, see what Johnson, the real animal. When you're going to grow with you, what's your trouser? What you must swam about, Amen. What about it? Amen. And yet, obey disgrace you. About your water, the Matronas. Indeed, a big cancer. Okay, me send my time, yes. Now I'm in front to my good soul. And also, the angel. So for me, a proceed. Now my Jumana, me and a shut transfer, and you're not correct. A proceed for my was scared, you almost shut. You may say, Amen. Proceed for my was scared, you almost shut. We are Christian here, and must set things and change you. Over to me at Canada, Germany, Italy, Belgium. I want short transaction. Amen. Maybe I can. So I want that new one. They catch you in that transaction and found one. Then you want a man to eat them. I say, so. You may say, Amen. That's it.
Amen. Nebato Yaojebi, so if you come and say,
Yaojebi.
Yes. Or say Hosea 6, verse 7.
Hosea 6.
Was it the one? And the question of a one say, Obesu who said, not a pambi wo Adam and then Yankopon Temuana. And I say, Ania and an Aya Pambe. Amen.
Hosea 6, verse
7.
Israel says, Upper.
Hosea chapter 6, verses number 7. Israel as up. Now one day, Wafuma Pamana say Adam. A home, na wachami kuntumpo. Kila the Yemusumo for Kura, Mojaki came. Now so far so for Gune to say, Okamukafuasa, Asafufwa, or Tenipa, would deal with Oquim, what they require seeking. Na Abusudia na Wayo. Mahuna who did Israel fee. A one Ephraim bore a Jamai Israel.
Let us say, was say, now one day, what from a permanent set Adam. I want to open a question. You may say, Amen. You know, say good news. When the creative shine, ghost. Amen. Indeed, Christosomano. Yet the Holy Spirit, oh, home dear, crumb. Think of it, Holy Ghost fire, think of it. The pastor now in this summer in the DSC. Jesus Christ, you fear to be no soon some conqueror Nasha, my boy. Summer Nasha. When you saw me, amen. When you feel to be enough, concry, dear man, a son of man. Oh, concry. Paul says, would you do and when you concry? Indeed, you need ghost to be our Bible. I don't know, the monk of shoot. I'm a couple. The baby and I actually shoot. What about the good? And your English translation and the Detroit tree. Your true tree, no, a German on a Tragana. Have a course school of languages for Ghana. I know the fleet a coin. What now? But they say Israel. What now? Saddam Kurumu frozen. Iraq. Ekosia. Wamo Kasam. Arabic. Uriya. And son what's up what now Israel. A sheer Hebrew. To translate it from Greek. Any Hebrew. Any bad straight. Jimmy saw amen. If you ever kind King James and I will say, a new tree name for King James, or no one coin or cotton on the true tree. Britain, and now was sacred and our coin. A cotton or cotton or buy the true tree. Then I will say, a second Christian be a trust and where the other. The Obo no akofa English na me de toto ho no enkoye yare you so amen the tree na nkasa na ya kenkan anya Ghana ni na trans kotro ye no we jama ni o je me so amen na batra ha the she are tree ne kan drop at the coin. The control. Ukraine and Israel. You need Holy Ghost. You be treated with the woman or woman. What the upper? My member were you drop. Ghost. Now I drop. Spirit. Now the Holy Narcissism. You heard the American. For holiness, that's actually the answer. You may so amen. Such the answer. You may so. I'm not here with you.
We did OT Andrews.
OT
Andrews.
Andrews.
I have a question now, Acts chapter 8.
Acts chapter 8.
Verse 14. And Acts 19.
What's he say?
Acts chapter 8 verse 14. Petru ni Yohane ko Samaria. Na asomafo a wɔwɔ Jerusalem ne te sɛ Samaria fo agye Nyankopɔn asɛm. Wɔsoma Petru ni Yohane kɔ wɔn nkyɛn. Na wɔbaeɛ no wɔbɔ mpaeɛ maa wɔn sɛ wɔnya Honhom Kronkron. Ɛfiri sɛ na ɔma wɔn mu biara so. Na asunko na wɔabɔ wɔn akɔ Awurade Yesu din mu. Ɛna wɔde wɔn nsa gu wɔn so na wɔnya Honhom Kronkron. Acts chapter 19 verse 1 down. Neba se bra apuru Korinto. Paul chini amantifi asase so na obedu afiso. Na obetu asuafu bi no. Oka kire won se mugidi ye no munya won konkran na. Na oka kire ne se yenti pempo se won konkran bi wo baabi. Na oka kire won se edi mu na obo masu hye. Na oka se Yohane asubu. Na Paul se Yohane bo adwen sa kire sumbom ka kire wo oman ne se onye die odi na kire ba woni Yesu ni na wote ye no oma wo bo na su hye Awurade Yesu din na Paul de ne nsa gu won so no konkro ba won so na wode tekire makodo kasai na wo hye nkom na won nyina be ye mmarima dumbi no amen.
Amen.
You hear the question?
But your baby busa say the question is say my Jesus adi no ma bo asu onsu. Na se men sanka konkro or se men na me to men safre na say o se ye dey nsa gu so.
That's it. Mama son man. The Adikani. Jesus say, Mumisa, what the Bama, Monshusha, Obegunu, Umum, no be a Misa, but the man that the Oshusha no group, that you bomb. Oh, you are not a Muhan, a yaja. Nana Babusan of Mata, Obamano, Obusano, Mata Obamano, Obusana Bodra, Obamano. As a moon, the boy, your phone, with someone in the Pamama, and Prahi, the jaw watch on them found. I'm at the one now, Ubisa. You may saw Amen. This is my better years, dear. Be a sequel. Say, me young conqueror. The bottom by a pizza. The Edica, who bet me a pizza rounded. I'm a rounded young man. And the view. 1 hour develop God's spirit. Get through. Your man cross. You may say, Amen. And so much me the Santo Swasrama. I'm a rather the eye of the other. Give me a
Grass.
Amen. And you saw for ya, Sramame. I don't know much Holy Spirit, Holy Ghost baptism. Yeah, what's a Sawayan, dear man, dear Holy Spirit, may catch them. And that to watch you. When shut to and one change you. You may say, Amen. Peter, no. Paul, no. I bump by more be a young company. You know why you're going to the Bajawa Master. Indeed. I dear about Congress, give me a minute to me. Who bet to be a pizza. So I come at Dibu. Now, Conqueror, now, didn't carry. I was said, we're releasing a whole home on the bay on the memo. The bill, so for better me, I lay hands also. Yes, often and I don't conclude you would have. That's often a bomb by a mouth. Now, I do well. The big crowd not pay yet to me. One for home and a mouth that. You may say, Amen. Who may jaw water for my area, so you could feel. And so now,
Amen.
Odi.
Your friend Kwaku Ampon. Then, but my question is Psalm 1. Last paragraph, Psalm 1.
What's it say?
Psalm 1.
Psalm 1 verse 1 down.
Verse 1.
Etifias maso tinini ne obonifo. Inhyira ne onipa a onnante abonifo agine. Na onyina ne boyefo kwan so na ontina fiwdifo tina bia. Amen.
And Psalm 119 verse 1.
Psalm 119
verse 1.
verse 1.
Verse 1.
Psalm
119 verse 1.
Psalm 119 verses number 1. Nyankopon mra ho anigye etifiasem. Inhyira ne wona wona kwan yepe. Na wona mawurade mra so. Amen.
Amen. My question is now 1 Corinthians chapter 1, chapter 11, verse 5 from it. One question is now Deuteronomy 22, verse 5.
1 Corinthians chapter 11, verses number 5. Na oba biara orebo mpaya na so wole hyem kom na ni tiri so da ho. Odi ni tiri na etese waboti kwa. Amen. Deuteronomy chapter 22,
Verse number 5.
verses number 5. Now, Deuteronomy 22,
Verse 5.
Job 22 verse 5. Oba nhye obarema de na obarema nso mfira oba ntoma efiri se wona wo ye nyina ye Awurade wo Nyankopɔn chiwade. Amen.
Amen. Then, but my question is
me o Kristo ni makwa asori asafo na me kɔ no mmaa na ɛwɔ mu no ebi ɛba asɔre na ebi bɔ duku alright ebi nso mmɔ ɛna mmarima nso no especially sɔfo no ɔtaa ɛtɔ da ɔtaa hɛkyɛ sometimes nso wɔnhyɛ ne sɛ mete saa asafo no mu a meyɛ deɛ Nyankopɔn ɛka pɛpɛɛpɛ megye mmra nso sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a menya saa nnome no na anaasɛ menni ne ho fɛw na sɛ mekɔ asɔre na sɛ asafo ma no bi adeɛ a ɛtia Awurade asɛm no a yɛpɛ sɛ mbusa sɛ me no mewɔ nkwa anaasɛ saa nnome no bi bɛba me so anaa amen
meda ase bi na meka ase bi a wobusa afa saa duku no ho okay
bagye duku no ka ho
bɛdeɛ wobusa na ma ansa
adade ne duku no
so amen deɛ wobusa no na ma ansa ɛfiri sɛ wiase nyina etio nkɔfa wo deɛ biribi bɛfrɛ m nti obi nso another question na wa answer gyeme so amen okay ade ateɛ ne sɛ sɛ me ne wote asɔɔ dɛm yɛsɛ adwama mo nyɛ na wobɔ adwama a gyeme so amen wona bɛfɛ so atemmuo anaa mɛboa wona bɛfɛ so atemmuo because maybe you come and for one hour by your way. You say, son of money, and I was on the oven room. 1 hour face to a table. You may say, amen. If it's a should be an nation. The kind of sadness. There should be an idea. Yes, you have a say, I saw about. No. We need to be a Christian soda. We should be a Christian soda. It is our say, Christian sorry, a Christian bad. That's all.
That in patrol, that is a meeting matter as I meet my train all right.
Once a year, church, you so amen. Jesus, of course, spirit mount direction said, don't go there. So, congregate and go hope you, dear. It's you. Wouldn't I was already PBB? Now, you are sorry, and said you are the pen. No one you more the other. What you must show me by amen. Nipa duaway. 1 Corinthians 3:16. Nipa duaway. Ayo radia sorry da. What you must show me by amen. The member not ya saw them. Now so baba jama. One say ma sorry. Them who was sorry now here the other. What's that? What you was saying yet sorry them. A sorry na me. And yes sit down there. A sorry na go down. Jeme so amen. The one more be funa against you. Against me. So konkro pese member ho biwa. Me sorry afi. About your what must say? Amen. That's all. Mama ni tio.
Amen, you know, Sene. Amen.
Amen.
Papa, I didn't show. As a for question and answer myself with a chin of soccer. What kind of this and I didn't necessarily I said, what I sent one I am 1 year, a crabby. Jackanina, Yasam Pano. No, so I can say, join Yasampa. Matthew Asempa. Look at Sempa. A chili majunica. It's in question. So it's chilling.
What was that? Was Yakao? Anyway, what you saw me, amen. The entire Yaka good news in some way free Christian. In some way free Christian. We had. Didn't make a kind of Matthew Asempa. Matthew no any Asempa. Sempa Yesu Kaya. Ah, Matthew Abatri. The Jutum say and Samaya dear Papa. Luke asɛmpa yɛgye tom sɛ nsɛm a Luke twerɛ Luke kaa asɛm bia mpirikyi but Luke nsɛm no nyinaa yɛ Yesu Kristo nsɛm a ɔbɛkaeɛ ɛne n'adwuma a ɔbɛyɛ ɛna yɛagye atom sɛ yɛ Yesu yɛɛ ne yɛ papa nti yɛka Luke a na yɛaka Luke asɛmpa a watwerɛ watem aseɛ Marko asɛmpa ne yɛatwerɛ ne saa John asɛmpa ne yɛatwerɛ ne saa wobɛduru asomafoɔ no sɛ asomafoɔ nnwuma gyeme sɛ amen wotim bɛka asomafoɔ asɛmpa no asomafoɔ nnwuma korintofoɔ nwoma romanfoɔ nwoma korintifoɔ nwoma yɛde nwoma saa ne yɛde akɔpia pii sɛ gyeme sɛ amen asɛmpa no yɛ Matthew, Mike, Luke, and what? John.
Amen.
Praise the Lord.
Mebacho, first question. Let me say, Obapa Rebecca question. To us, okay, to a biapa. We say, with answer, Papa de Maya, and let's say, a busy in heavy, I know what you see. We trust and share. Then you will be success. Be our nurse, America now, or no more transfer. On why Christian one and then.
On social skate.
Amen.
And you meant to be taking our coupons.
Assembly edify Iraq and Abba was saying, John the Baptist. Now this year we go to Luke chapter 1 verse 36. Say not John the Baptist, Echen Christo, Bosuminsia. Now we say a deity na a chresay, a one Chasibiana, Sabusuminsiana, John the Baptist, Echen Christo, Chakunkumu, a one Chasibiana. Obviously, we know Luke chapter 1 verse 36 account, Assembly Iraq.
Amen. Jesus, ya wunipa. Obiche obi bosomi. Obiche obi na wotwe. Obiche obi na wotwe. Obiche obi mfiensi. What ya say? Ade ade John the Baptist bi Yesu ani mabutumi nsia. Yeme so amen. Amen. Abutumi nsia na John the Baptist the child Christ. And then I was here on the 9th, like only 3 months. Yeah, I went John the Baptist. In Jimuna, the baby is a Christ. The Bachawatias. Indeed, young children and children beyond the energy. But you're not between.
Amen. And then so the Bacho Maxwell edify Roman Hill was say. It was said, Nipa da Sanibia said, we Christonia pass or Utia to Sudu. Na Wamo and a qualifies over to Sudu. Answer the question. Maxwell, let it to Roman Hill. And I'll do it about.
With us, Maxwell, Yamisha, into to Sudu, makes no simple. Into to Sudu, Nihoma, and Brasudifo. No one has asked you. I shall say on Genesis.
Genesis
14.
18. Genesis chapter 14, verse 18.
Verse 18.
Melchizedek Shira Abraham. Na Salamine Melchizedek de Pano ni Bobi Sambereno. Now you are so Yanko Ponsofu. Na ohyira ne sɛ ɔsorosoro nyankopɔn a wɔyɛ ɔsoro ne asase wura ne nhyira nka Abraham na nhyira ne ɔsorosoro nyankopɔn a ɔde w'atamfo ahyɛ wɔn nsa na Abraham maa ne nneɛma no nyinaa mu ntutusuo dudu. Amen.
Wogye me so amepɛ. Amen. Melchizedek ɛna di kan gye ntutusuo dudu wɔ Abraham nsa. First pastor of this earth. First prophet of this earth, Abraham. The 8th evangelist, Noah. You may say amen. adeɛ baako a yɛnhyɛ no nso no sɛ yɛana manfoɔ ɛyɛ big mistake ɛna ntotosoɔ dudu atwam yɛntwam Melchizedek no na ɔdi Salem so number 1 wɔyɛ sɔfo wɔsan yɛ ɔhene wɔba Hebrews 7 gyeme sɛ amen ɔbɛkyerɛ wo sɛ bɛyɛ Kristo nsa so deɛ teɛ ne sɛ Melchizedek so kyɛn Abraham deɛ Abraham na tua ntotosoɔ dudu maa Melchizedek ɛwɔ gyidie ɛkwan so nyɛ mmara mu adeɛ a gyidie nso adua no mmara ntu mu wogye me so a mepɛ amen na mmom gyidie ne tu mmara gu yɛnhyɛ saa deɛ no nso gyidie etu mmara gu bɛte mmara entu gyidie mu ɛna yɛde gyidie emu adeɛ kɔboa mmara so bifo wogye me so a mepɛ amen yɛnhwɛ o Jacob nso boa aboadeɛ wɔsa ahyɛ bɔ so obetua ntotosoɔ Jacob yɛmfa no nto nyame kɔyi Israelfoɔ firi Misrim gye me so amen Misrim hɔ no Moses ɛyɛ nipa mɛnkyerɛ ma adeɛ nnɛ wɔyɛ signs and wonders maako sɛn wɔn a bɛhunu wɔyɛ sɛn na signs and wonders of Moses here na yɛ maako sɛn na he perform signs and wonders maako sɛn the 10th one is God. The 10th one is what? God. I don't know this save one. The two should be in Yamena and the year. The Yan and the Yamrakatre, Pharaoh said, Sadia, you Yamen Satya. That is the 10th one. Jemeso, amen. Fine. Moses knew a new that. So move a jit to show the web and to show. The Moses. Would you so amen? But the radical one said, the 10th one. I know the Israel. What they are so for dear man living. Aaron, our Punechi, while farmer or Egypt. Egypt, you are not Moses in Yamen. And Aaron, a ye deeful. You may so amen. The Bajawati has here. That there is no pastor in Egypt, but they are prophet and God. The Yame Elidio, only the default, Elidio, you will be tried a Punechi, and obey as of Diano, a free Aaron, a diffujumano, or you free Aaron, so, and the Moses. I know no Yame Jenny Yame. Jemeso amen. The Moses ebe ye difo a otoso miensa. First prophet ya Abraham, second prophet ya Aaron, third ya Moses. Ano odi asofudie puma ema Aaron. No ode ho mraya de aben. The young shadio Jacob mano, omuye dumienu. Nyame de na henche na hempoma ekura Juda. Ana ode na sofudie nsu se liw. Jemeso amen. Ana o se Israel for ye adwuma asase ye chem omuye dumienu. E de ye chem du baako. Ye liw ye si nchen. Omuye adwuma bi a yemfa so tutusuo dudu nya de ebe. Jemeso amen. Yem famara. And no doesn't mean sir. Woman a shall say you to this woman. And this Church of Christ of one church that's hard, but you're wrong. gyeme so amen obi na di ka gye ɛna nipa no awura na sɔfo taade de ahyɛ liwi ɛna wɔyɛ na ne nyamisu na hini nso de ahyɛ wɔde sɛ Juda baakofoɔ no ɔno ɔdi hene ɛsɛ di sɔfo that is Melchizedek wogye me so amepɛ amen fa apam dadam saa nneɛma wɔ esi yɛnhwɛ apam foforo gye me so amen deɛ Matthew 23 deɛ di kan aka yɛ hansi
Matthew chapter 23.
amen Matthew 23 akwaya argument ni kwa si ati tutu so dudu ya jepa kind free 1 ebesi 8
Matthew 23 verse 1 down to 8. Yesu ka atwerɛfoɔ ne Farisifoɔ ni. Ɛna Yesu kasa kyerɛ nkurɔfoɔ akuokuo ne n'asuafoɔ ne sɛ, Mose
okay over kind free 23 to 19 down to 24
Matthew chapter 23 verse 19 down to 24.
obedi wa matem
Anifirafoɔ deɛ ɛwɔ he na ɛso
ya wa na so
ayɛyɛdeɛ no anaa afɔrebukyia
ana afɔrebukia
a ɛma ayɛyɛdeɛ no ho teɛ no. Enti deɛ wɔde afɔrebukyia bɛka ntam ɔde ɛno ne deɛ ɛwɔ soɔ no nyinaa na ɛka.
aka
Na deɛ ɔde asɔredan ka ntam ɔde ɛno ne deɛ ɛte mu no na ɛka. Na deɛ ɔde wɔ soro ka ntam na ɔde Nyankopɔn ahengua ne deɛ wɔte soɔ no na ɛka.
aka
23 Munnue
unye
mo atwerɛfoɔ ne Farisifoɔ nyaatwomfoɔ sɛ moyi ɛme ne nunum
uyi eme
ne nunum
nununum
ne tɛtɛ ho
ene
tutu
ntata huntutu suo dudu
na mogya mmara mu deɛ somboɔ no
emranum dia sombo no ane dia
atemmuo ne mmɔborɔhunu ne gyidie.
gyeme so kasa amen woni bisa mara ni nyina mu no dia sombo pa wana behu ane do nyonko sade dia sopa ya sombo pa ya do nyonko so na do wura do nyankopon wakoma nyina na okra nyina but wo mo yi ntutu suo dudu no but mara no dia sombo no wo mo ya dia bai obuja to aso kan
Atemmuo ne mmɔborɔhunu ne gyidie.
ani gidi
Yei na anka ɛsɛ sɛ moyɛ.
dia nka wasɛm yɛ paa nie
Na munnya baako no nso.
baako bɛ ho asɛm no wɔka tutu suo ma munya ɛno nso gyeme so amen enya nkasa magya na wɔsɛ wotwa mame nsa amara bio kristo nankasa no ti a yɛnte twerɛ asɛm ase no ma yɛbrɛ ɔno nso time ɛyɛ te sɛ Mose time ɔde ka aka kyerɛ sɛ Mose perform 9 miracle the one miracle that is a 10th one nyame de yi Israel Jesus abɛsa kwatafoɔ du yareɛ wogye me so a mepɛ amen yɛde yɛnsa na yɛ adwuma 9 is gone ɛna 1 by the 10th one no ɛyɛ Awurade dea the 10th one ɛyɛ Awurade dea nti ntotosuo dudu yɛtua de ma sɔfo nyɛ diifoɔ nyɛ sampakani wogye me so a mepɛ amen ɛnyɛ kyerɛkyerɛfoɔ yɛtua de ma hwan sɔfo na asɔfo no nso asprɛde no yɛde bi tua asɔfo ka yɛde bi ahwɛmisia ne nyanka wasafo akunafoɔ ɛne ahɔho a wɔbɛku mission gye me so kasa amen yɛtutusuo no yɛ meda ase pii ɛho adwumadie ne yɛdi lenkema wo nua baabi a ɔwɔ bi a na ka kyerɛ ne sɛ saa adesua yi nkɔ so deɛ wonte ase deɛ wonim wakenkan a wonte ase yɛakyerɛ wo asɔre a ayɛ controversial ama wo adwuada biara Ishiamu Takwamaku. The one of the pillar of Zion Church. I saw a case upon you. Which me back, every wish our question. And I also said, what me the was someone here was what a Sunday far numbers you show. To be an hour man on it, to be an hour Ghana. We are sure for any question. For Barbara, what you be sure, you may answer. The number 050 34 70 500. 050 34 70 500. 020 2054 026. And with text message in so the 0245 14 22 70. And 0242 720252. Namisha, sir, what's up? Yeah, your question.
You, Dampacho, Christ has some drink cow.
And counsel.
Daddy, where me pacho, mention until Kayanti, me busa me question now, me pacho me fish no material radio app no so make us a free a crack where kunye.
Yo, could you?
Yo, Daddy Pacho, me question no Deuteronomy 14, 22 to 26. Me pacho, me kasapa title ho. Na, dear me bro for na me can acquire say, yes, due tight. Amama ye confused kakra.
It has been. You would then have a kind. We are much.
Deuteronomy chapter 14, verse 22. And to do remember. Why do you no buyer? Was why do you no buy one from there Frisia? You should do so.
Oh, Brady and Sabra come. Was a fat on Saturday.
Neradu Yankupon, and you. Fakwa will be see the Indian that you were puru. No one son, no one so to shoot. No one then treated me and Macan. I was share Radu Yankupon soon, 24. Na say, or quite no worry. I want to mean swap. If it's a Fakwa Radu Yankupon, he said, or didn't give better on no one tell me what. No Radu Yankupon Shirawa. And yet, down in the Sika. Not actually Sika Nukura. Nasibu Kofa, one, a Radu Yankupon year. Not for Sika no try at Biala or Kra Pondo. Then Chien would dining would be some. Ne in Sebiala a yetting. Ne Adia Biala or Krapi. Ne Tino, a Radu Yankupon. Nama will you fear and being ye. Amen.
So, amen. What was that? You was your column. Tell them you can't come. You tell you. And we say, oh, dear me. You tell me. Genesis. Yansa. Into the soul to the Umbra. Ama Abraham. Jacob. Joseph. So anybody in Sunday. The year to the soul to the word. That was Genesis. Yama one Barabia, if you say, when you would GD a quash. But the son said, Ya Kofadi Abba, the Marada. You may say, amen. At this Yama, Yan Samarama, a Kwama. You may say, amen. What this year, my woman, Banam and the Betty Fear. Yan Samarama, the Fiani and India. You may say, amen. What can't I say to you in the moon? So, and the Achan of the moon. So, you may say, amen. That's in Salvacas and Qua of the court. About what you say, you know. Or don't force it. Our dear nation. Yan Chilibadi. Yan Chilibadi. Result should be a community. But it's a qua. Echo do for any more than a papa. Yes, I'm a party. The Baba to be a good agent and a good nation. A Koyana was to shoot the Baba to be an idea. A good agent and what cheer me will be any one catch a cutter. See, for your children, and then ask a matter. What you must swap, amen. And then answer. Into your shamara at the man, young shamara, and for my dish. What you must swap, amen. Whatever cast a shuffle, and some who came here, and no credit. Abraham and GDC. Uba Hebrews. Was the Yanni Yesu Christo, and was here near Japan Abraham. I had the other. Ye Gideon man. Paul said the city and the Christo, I had the other. The new quas. It one more. You go find to show the free Gideon Ababwa. I was here the Mariah the other. Your first Gideon, the other one, but I should before. As a Jeremy, Mamma Fabi could have come home. Moses was here in Yama Buffalo. Our media. Buffalo, the country say you not some Papa. As I say, we cannot show you. Sasa, and there be no among all. You may say, amen. But it was here in Yama Buffalo. Was you now some Papa? As a tradition Israel for Kuwasu. Obunia Sumtue. The Nipa on Papua. As a tradition Asumtue. Ephesians chapter 6. Was a fast Piazza Papua, that's why I did. And the Israel for the Yomu was almost Suya. Which have Papua. You may say, amen. Joshua and Suba Sam Papua. Who am I far now? My town for was a friend of my three members in Israel. Don't so dear, suffering. You will not suffer Papua. As a trend says, still, what else will for you? But Christ, I had this year. John the Baptist said, the Nasa Papua, men Sasabaya, the Abbey. My Bible so I catch us so a body out this year. This year. One time in Brian, she said, my hello. One time in Brian, the passing the bird Christo. Don't want to have a second to watch in one hour. One hour to be sure. When you go Papa, what's a summer? Junior City. Give me so cassa, amen. Sadia, Abraham cheer the GDM. We should be cheer the GDM. Hello. What's up?
Okay. Dan Pacho Crasa some drink Kamunina.
Some drink Cassiaco.
The Pacho make us a free Germany, a friendly prince. Na me question no ewo 1 John chapter 3 verse number 7. Wasa me mankuma mamu biara na wasa mamu biara na damo. Na die entine no on tini said ye or no untini. Okay, me pacho mati. Say that the me jama makandi and wadaruma me question is say Bible try and say obi beye o Christonia na o beye abode fofo ne niam da ni nyina atwam. Enti se me ko to gyanim se me bom paye. Na se empire na me bono me ka se ewrade humi mopo ne fa me bon ne cheme ne se man ka se ewrade humi mopo ne fa me mfom so cheme ya. Me pacho maye boni ana if we say wasi akoma agugu apache na wompo indi se bia makoma muti ana Matthew chapter 22 Matthew chapter 22 verse number 34 no ekono Bible ma yehunu say emra ni mu kase a eyeminu no eye ba ko ne say wode wakoma okra ne wade nyina be do awurade unyankopo ene ye ba ko ana le toso minu say wo bedo uyonko say wo ho enti say wo se de wo ye sa mra minu ni ti mra du ni nyina so efiri say enu mu ni kase e wo enti say mi wo sa ma di sa mra wo nyina so no wo do wo mi nua na makoma muti na me komi nkoto gyanim se me bom paye na manka se awurade fa me mfom so che me fisa me yent otrinini ana bible no so ma yeti ase se wo se die nkonkron ti ni mu no onye bone na ontumi nye bone na che se me ye ogidi ni a me nye bone ndi se me komi nkoto gyanim se me bom paye a ese nka me sre bone fa free enye bone fa chemu ndi se man sre bone fa free na me ka se awurade umi mobo ne fa me bone che me inse bia nka meka se fa me bone me fa me mfom so che me nti se man ka se fa me mfom so che me na meka se awurade fa me bone che me a eno sa ma ye bone wo awurade anim ana amen
Medas at times you put some question but say maka to be a moment is so big so amen me ya hotini me hote me ya trinini the day the body faith the day the body faith me an kasa me hote me ya trinini you will say amen what you say then na me say akwa body faith body faith me ba cho what the be say just a metana ne ya no mafo je be so amen na masre bon fefe just a metana ne ya mu mafo ma ya die bi a enda die be ene mo ko kwan se be se awurade wo fefe je be so amen. The Bible says you nyankopa wo no na nya de abai na ontimi nya efiri so nyankopa na awo no de na no so abu kwa ko jobu chapter 1 wo kwa so busa fefiri amaka che wo se bu onye ko ni bia ko so atama de so amen. So to be quiet upon it, and you know when you're now with TV. Nakao Kaka. May you be piping the high on continent. You may so amen. Depending. Because a shooting be a shooting. It be that man should die, then it should know you. Then would die. You may so amen. I know what James 3. James 3. Indeed, the Atiam. Who bet me a slap on the free? My brother, wow, who was so often. That's what you do, so you're to the media. Move on by a straightforward. For says, you come and move your far. You did not yet. Amen.
Hallelujah.
Praise the Lord.
Amen.
Mike, you could watch it. You
About radio, I don't know question. Question between John chapter 16 to 17.
Johannes Sampa. Johannes Asampa.
John chapter 3, verse
16 to 17.
na se do nyankopɔn do wiase se wɔde ne ba wo no kro no man na obiara wɔde ne die na anyera na wanya daa nkwa 17 do nyankopɔn so no bɛni wiase se omebu wiase ate na mmom sɛ wɔmfa ne so nyi wiase deɛ wɔde ne die no
Amen.
Praise the Lord.
Once uncle Mark chapter 10, 17 to 18.
Mark 10, 17 to 18.
Mark chapter 10 verse 17 to 18. That if you have some sit down, no Freddy call or quine or sit Freddy call quine so. obi tutu birika bɛkoto n'anim bisa ne sɛ kyerɛkyerɛfoɔ pa ɛdeɛ na menyɛ ne manya daa nkwa na yesu sɛ adɛn na wofrɛ me papa obiara nyɛ papa gye ɔbaako ɔne onyankopɔn
amen papa wei de wada obisa sɛ na yesu na ɔntene anaasɛ deɛ ntina ama no ka sɛ deɛ ntina wofrɛ papa na obi biara ne papa gye nsɛ ɔpɔn amen
wokɔsɛ na de paa gyeme sɛ amen
amen
nyɛ sɛ na jesus ntene amen nyɛ sɛ na ɔntene anyɛ bɔne ntam ɛdi atie wɔanyini ho adi akyerɛ nipa so yi nipakyɛ wate ase nti always praise God wɔlɛ ɛsɛ no gyeme sɛ amen wɔlɛ ɛsɛ no na de kyerɛ wɔn a wɔ outside bɛtɛ ka wɔne n'asuafoɔ no na wɔyi ne ho adi ayɛ praise the Lord.
Papa Joe, I mean, to see what you were there, group, and said she needed to go so far. So, look at 7 families, it's not yet no number. And I said, the buyers are going to make you my man. Put your self up, I can't do that. That's 7 on Genesis 19, 30 to 36.
30 to 36. Genesis 19.
Genesis chapter 19, verse 30 to 36. Genesis 19, 30 to 36. Na Lord to free swallow, but not be punished. Na Lord to free swallow, but not be punished. On an enema ben, no. If we say, oh, slow swallow tonight. No one enema ben, what's no enema ben, no, but now, or put them. Na Bakan catch the Kuman said, you know, Jenny, no better maybe any assassin, you or be my young, or be my young. Said the assassin so full in our money yet. Bra, na ye may jan some, yen and water. Ye ja humba.
No, I get to a young yes. I ask about for the movie.
Na Oma when I jan some of me amajo. Na Abakan Kumini Naja could die. Na one in that wasn't the one reading none in the soul. Na dear Chino. Abakano catch a Kumani said, She, any major poda and a dream. My young man and some of the and a dream so. Na cook, not on poda. Na Yenya Humba. No ma when I jar and some of me and a jononso. Na Kuman sorry. Nene could die. The one reading that in the soul. Verse 36. Na Lord to Mamma was na Lord to Mamma bear. Say when I jump. Amen.
Amen. Papa Pacho, me say, please to do not, Lord, to the manner of one family. No, we will no years. I did it.
Aja, I am on you. I am Chiwania. Bakona Bawu, Bakona Baka and the Dini. Na meba dumi kuro o dumi amofra e chiwa dia so do e jameda amen what is it e chiwa adia ba ko wo bi say metimi akasa e influential from the Satan not from God ebia ka kwala no kra no mo papa kasaya one called Obetro baby Abraham asefo de be so amen man kwala no kura ko akosho majaji the ba what yet the thought of Satan
Papa Pacho na ba ku di kan na Lord ni we hu hwe no so ya
man son Bible no kan what buru nti say for the question my way of my report, Papa. Amen. Mama, meet you.
Upon Pacho, the question is said, I am on my moon, Shatten or dear. Now, Christians be with the yanking or buying. Say a bonny, a baby young one. And a Bible that has on my moon, Shatten or dear, to be the same disaster or dear Ben or come on. Now, on my bench, no. Amen.
Let us be. Yatiana said, Yaka or ma, who is shrepy, as an opangia. Mamma, mamma, through Gigi. The drown your mammy, or the tears. Amen. Yamen body, papa. Obonio man, you drew the person of fat or boy, and would give me. What ye as a swan, not here. As I said, something, and what they mean Adam. Number 2, we Adam from Padia. As I said, and we have you. Was I then if when you saw me, amen. You for the Adam of the wing, then think. Maybe 1 year, Mawa. Then was some of the other mamma. Sankasa. Now the evil swam out. That's just a baby. I'm a jail. And Yama. The Patome Frata Muba Yena Fadot. But woman in answer, you are the community. Oh, Mama, Akwasi Awuah, also multiply. You will say amen. Fine. Number 2, you are for. We are near the food. As I say, Adam. Now, we are need to know. We go to your bro. Nobody have a sister, we percent emperor. Number 6, you may say amen. How is it here? It is Okuani Kwachas. Amen. A brony pro, not fear fifi. The son said, what else has Yadium as our sense of man multiply. Number 3, when you go about the Christian, you should be telling. On Mamma when she said, when you go about the use of Yajin. On no Yamia Shram more. The Papa, where you broke was your phone, or if you are multiply. Silent. You may say amen. On Mamma when she asked the Yaman. Praise the Lord.
Matthew 27, verse 27 to 55.
27, 27, 25. Matthew Asempa.
Matthew chapter 27, verse 27 to 25. 35.
35.
Yesu mwa brudi. Ena amrado ni asrafo di Yesu kwa amrado abemu. Roma asrafo kodi nyina bishia na ni. Lewe yi na tade na wode akata kombu koku bi gu ni so. Na wode nkasa nwina buchire gu ni ti. Na wode mirehia ne nsa bi fam. Na wokunkutudwe na dem guru ne ho se. Judafo hini mo na otu ntesu gu ni so. Ji de mire na wode pai na pampem. Verse 31.
31.
Na owie no wa brodi no. Wo yi akata kombu ni firi ne ho. Na wode wono ala na tade ehye. Na wode ne ko se wode kobo na siwi. Well, Freddy, we will tell any be free or friend Simon. Or no, I was sharing a man of Swan, a senior. 33. obo Yesu aseni wagye fiase no koduru baabi a wɔfrɛ ɔgɔgɔgya aseɛ ne ne tiri soɔ wɔmaa no nsa kekakeka a wɔde bɔnwono afrɛ mu sɛ ɔnom na ɔkaa n'ano no wampɛ sɛ wɔnom na ɔbɔɔ no asennua mu no wɔtwe ntonto kyɛɛ ne ntaadeɛ na wɔtenatena ase wɔ wɛn no
Yes.
Dampacho, my question.
O question no fine.
Dampacho, person is busa say, okase oyi na taade de nkata ko mu koko gugu ni so. And person mi say saa eno no na se kyerɛ anything. And I think so or the nkasa enyo no abotire ebo ni ti. Eno nso na nkyase na die nti na eno nso omode ebo ni ti. And I think so die nti a omode demre hye ni nsa nipa mu na anya ni nsa bonku mu na ebeye nipa. And I think so what the important to see good so and so Dampacho and nkyase. I think so demra or the pie na pempem. Anya baby asa na pempem no the pie. Dampacho and some person metiase. And I think so no 32 no okay say oberima bia odi Simon na waso oberima bia odi Simon no mo de asenia no so ano na Dampacho so no obofo na no ofini di na den na anya obia say ono no mo hye no ono mom no mo de asenia no so ano man de ko I think the twato no sakeka keka omo de man no me be say em so mo say amen.
Let us. Let me show. The 27 to 35. The Edikai, a damn quiet, the good. The Edikai catch us. Amen. To be a good for us. And that the doesn't you know.
Enkasa butri ebo.
Ya den kase e shepiti. You may so amen. Who said? One more thing so you Judah for the amen. One more thing so you Judah for. Yeah, the way you want to the idea is something. Mama said this here. But what timing you know the say? Now me my head say. Said you be being argued with you. Now me my head say. I said to them, be a mika. Mika 7. What's it? Ni papa you the frasa so. Ti ni pamu. One you know to moja. Osusu yanu mufi. On sabu bonenso se enye. Asafu ni bisa bibi. Ojebufu package.
na onipa kɛseɛ ka ne kra bɔ ne pɛ ho
Ni pakasi akane pande pa kwase.
sɛdeɛ ɔbɔ mu nwene
Said you bo mo no. To aso kan.
obu ne ɔsɛ wɔmemfoɔ na
Obu di papa te say
hwerɛ mo
hwere mo.
wɔ mu tiefoɔ sene kasɛɛ ban wɔawemfoɔ da no wɔaso twee reba
Je me so amen. Wo motin na ye hunu se wo tene kora no. E de bodi ti. Won san bodi wo fomo. Tene ne no e de bodi ti. Je me so amen. Sabi e be ye benya dwiri mutie. Me ba cha wate ase. Wo ma ya no ye so ye di papa no te se hwere. Yes, what ten a Koran to say, man. The Bonina was one, I don't know. You may so, amen. At an F for the future. You're the shadow. No one would show me the Kazach and Asam. They are happy with you. And the man. Was on a far from
Dampacho, omo team to show good so.
the show your more than some up here. There's an awesome one in the answer for Subia and the
Dampacho, demre no so omo de pa na pempem.
You may so amen. You did the bread, Obia the bread. That's what I'm saying. And that's what the bread, super. I know the idea can tell
Christ is God. The Messiah, amen. The trace is one. And we know. According to 1 Corinthians 11:2. What am I saying? You better any banner, but that's right. And you bunya kupani mtia. You be so kasa amen. You bunya mtia. The bio.
Dampacho Simon no then when you to baby and
I was it no. Simeon of Libya. So Simon no. Kilini of Libya. Libya. What is our map? Who Kilini group? I want to offer. So much why. Or no one can send to me. It just say Africans, and my mama before. And so you chafa on quite you. You may say amen. What for Libya? I won't go. What am I saying? Indeed, As3m. Christ now showed him. And son As3m wrote to me and so. About what am I saying? Far.
That last one is
SethEkow. As a child. Yes, my one son who came and son of a son, I didn't pack on quite you. In SethEkow. Yade. Oh, and I say, in someone, and yet, a son of you. You may say, amen. But the one person I had here, man. You need son of you. And my young father, my name is Shawan. What? One for them. You be cracking. You are done your born in Sunday family, you are done your book. You are done your name. One and thing. You are done your name, Sunday Biaswa. Thank you, actually, to the meaning. But maybe I this year. So, amen. The time of the supermoon.
Amen.
Praise the Lord.
Never to now be the Fisunyana the buyer, will be say, Casafafro, Ubia also Kabiana.
Naomi, o question I am at the property. You Obia. You Obia who conquer approach. You will so amen. You Obia. Sorry, also, and no question about it. But I'm saying Christo Libya was a Kakasa for the Macasa answer is what? Yes.
We know say, Abraham John the Baptist, boy, Jesus, you know. Mabubu no besi Yesu apeti no. Ubia ne hu na John the Baptist and one the hu.
Did I say? Oba sa buburo ti attention o me won so ni na. Na oba sa buburo form. You be so amen. Biti haye. Na se anoma ebesima batia. Wo ma tie mi nyina abe. Wo ma tie mi nyina abe hu anoma no anameboa. But only Christ alone. And go on and then say, one anoma. The Holy Spirit. The Bible what I say. Only Christ alone. And go on and then say, one anoma. The Give me so amen.
Amen.
What number 5 about next place?
Mr. sounds to Gia Bonso for Germany, kill on say, also for be that Safubiano Nana Brabo and Tenia, just said the father said Libya Quasso in the one.
Oh, I didn't hear me proud of my cousin Comida. So for 1 trend here. Said that with the friendly, woman in our coffee. I'm going to Manko.
The chatto I could share it for USA was over so who said Jesus Christ, ne Mame Mary, and Joseph. Yes, what you know, almost I would be.
Oh, yeah. Dear John 7, 6.
John chapter 7.
Roma force one with you. No, 2 foot over 1 foot. I believe it's 2 4. John 7.
John 7. Christo Miyama Matifias.
What day? Christo Nadia.
Miyama.
Where you push your kind, Deputy. Baby, I can't send me on the 18 and for pass of oil. But when you are a candidate on
Matthew 13:56.
what is it?
Na enye ni nua ma no mu nyina na ye de won hayi ni ana na afa enye na we kunya ye no mu nyina na oye sintudua ma won na Yesu si won se ani di mo odifo
You are man. You may so amen. Yeah. Nibuya no oba say to but the end of the Yesu in Galilee, no person, which Judea, if he said, now you the forest shall not echo. Now you the force is about fashion happen. Now, Nibuya no catch and say, free echo Judea. There was here for the new. Now, Obi no pretty big woman shall say, Obi will pay. So we are no more. You watch it, we are saying. Now, Nibuya no pan in name. Bonsama Yesu mama. You may say amen. Onu ani nua no na won Joseph mano no mo nyi Yesu ni. Ni nua ba ko ni Jude. Ni nua ba ko. Kinga.
Ose na ba se Yesu wie emeyi bodu firi hokɔ na ɔkɔ no ala no kurom na wɔkyerɛkyerɛ wɔn nyina ahyia dan mu ma ne yɛ ahodwiri na wɔka sɛ ehi na we di ni nyansa ne ahoɔden nyina firi enye aduadwonfo no bani nie
Yadwonfo
Joseph no wɔn frɛ ni nua Maria
na Yesu nua ba ko de Maria
wɔn frɛ ne na Maria
ne ma ne de Maria
ne ni nua no mu Yakubu
ne nua ne Yakubu
ne Joseph ne Simon ne Juda na nye ne nua ma no mu nyinaa no wɔne yɛ wɔ ha yi na
You may so amen. What's up?
Praise God.
Hallelujah.
Papa Mpacho, my question is, I know no. Send no yen ejuma sifa because sometimes so to me ya if you are feeling busy be am pese me kwa na bibia about him se menko. Ena ebia bibi unya bibi se fishi but pese mi hu se na le se no yen ejuma sifa. Papa Mpacho friend Matipo Gilbert, me friend from Italy.
Okay. Ube so hu kwa faso yen ejuma fa.
Send no yen ejuma sifa Mpacho. And Mpacho, my next question is say hairdresser Bible ni say men kuntu ntimi ano men yeuti nyam kata uti su na renti hairdresser say oye etima amanfo a scanner ogino oyi bi ko ye ekotua tighter papa
Mame answer wa do tietia.
Okay.
Ose producer mu. Oso odi mo ye ni adeche. Nyame echiwa de kam to mo de ba fa kwan ente so. Sadi mo ye ni cha ya kura ye nyame echiwa de. Akomo tutu se ye kutua tu so. Ka je ni ya. Ono mo fa nsika. Ya sofo na se mo jimi no. Ye ni ji sa de no. Nyame dia. O fa nsika. You may say amen. Shasada no so. The first question, you know, what is I? The crown concrete first year the Juma. Bama, Shannon so. Me come and make the actual one to mention. If you say, a year, to be on the stage, be on the stage, we see you yet. Amen. A year, it is a catch us on the yes, yes, yes. The beer we do. You may say amen. There's a metro baby, I may make the massa. You win you. You better be on the end. That you will sound so. The queer of first year you may be. Maybe an eye of what of one. Now, go group of so cassette. Obey me a fool, be more of a country. You may say amen. What you say? The beer would die soon, obey me a community. The being so I will come back. Oba primo sesa I don't know what you be busy inside. Be busy. But the encat the akokwa no okasa to say the no okasa. Sign what is sign. Straight. You be so amen.
Hello, Papa. Guys, As3m.
As3m.
Your friend Emmanuel, because of UK.
Emmanuel UK.
And the question is, Namco Bombo, Adam, and Eve. And now, almost okay, and in the bed. Now,
again, a cake,
the bed. You will that Bible, me a chance to say, oh, your bird, cake, and of one. And a person with a sad time. Not after meeting for one and was as no man, a man go back to that. Watch all the question.
Praise the Lord. Kill up this also. Adam and Eve, first born ye came, second ye him. Can I only upon them and be upon them? Second born your man, but they came one. Third born, every year. Amen. Fourth, Abaye Oba. Fifth, Abaye Seth. Seth and Super Warren sister. You will say amen. Ntease3. Say. According to Exodus, and the teaching we say, Obi Marini. You will say amen. Young Shadi, Adam Awuah, Genesis 5.
Genesis chapter 5.
Chapter 5.
Adam Awuah into a woman. Adam Awuah to a song many. Thou young people go with him. The Suban no yo. Or better man or ban or ball. Now we shroud. Now to one deal with you. A thou ball. Now Adam the fish our head be a son or bow on his session. Send the Suban. Now or to the dean said. Nanin also a jack a jack a joe minute that you want to set. As it's ready to see a name. Amen. The mother Adam, the deep one, the fear what help you. Then your man can say, well, who set and son of the Casano? It was the set, and you know, young upon the back. What did you see? The bed, and then what's okay. Now, the more set naturally. Would ye appreciate a how much? Now, oh, my better man, mamma.
And the mamma that you are more bad beard. You may so amen. Yet, you may sure. Let me say my last caller.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
So far, some drink out. Me pacho, your friend Meji wa me kasa free Jordan.
Jordan. That was in
Me, Mata Papa.
When Ghana for boys, he be bawa. No other such Jordan. You about how am I say?
Me pacho, me question they wo. Jeremiah 4 verse 30.
Jeremiah said
4 verse 30.
Jeremiah.
And Proverbs 13 verse 9.
Proverbs 13 now. Jeremiah chapter 4 verse 30.
Papa ma se mni ina ne se o Kristo ni sha asumade a eya na se enye.
Meda sibi. Mary Magdalene ne Joanna no di Yesu echi no nyina ashi. Wo nyina no mo sha asuma. Because when Yankopon yiri Israel ko sha asuma. Amen. When Yankopon yiri ebi Israel ko sha asuma. Yo be Ezekiel man. I think 16 or so. 16.
Ezekiel 16, verse 1 down.
Good guy.
Ezekiel 16 verse Israel adoya oyi. Oso Nyankopon adoya oyi Israel.
Israel wants somebody to make. It didn't man the cake in us.
Na Ewurade asɛm baa me nkyɛn sɛ
Odi papa.
Ma Jerusalem nkuru n'akyiwadeɛ.
Ma Jerusalem nkuru n'akyiwadeɛ.
Na kasa sɛ Ewurade Nyankopɔn ka kyerɛ Jerusalem nie.
Good guy.
Wase ne wawo asase ne Kinaanfoɔ asase so.
Good guy.
Wagya yɛ Amorini.
Wagya yɛ Amorini.
Na wo na yɛ Hitini.
O maame nso yɛ Hitini.
Na wawo mu deɛ. Da a wɔwo wo no. Wɔantwa wo furuma. Na wɔamma wo nsuo anware. Wo mma wo fi. Nkyene so wɔamfa ansra wo. Na wɔamfa ntoma ankyekyere wo. Obiara yam anhyehye no amma wo anyɛ wo yeinom mu biara amfa anku mmɔbɔ. Na wɔtoo twene ɛserɛ ani to wo kra ho pi da a wɔwo wo no 6 ɛna mebɛsane wo ho na mehunu wo sɛ wabɔ wo adapaa wo mogya mu na meka me kyerɛ wo wo mogya no mu sɛ nyankwa na meka me kyerɛ wo wo mogya no mu sɛ nyankwa meyɔɔ wo ɔsɛ meyɔɔ wo dodoɔ bahunua no sɛ wira mu fefɛeɛ na wodɔ ɔsɛ na wodɔre yɛ kɛse na wahoɔfɛ boro so Upokuya boy, na unyi free. Nanso, na wonam adagya ne kwaterekwa. Na mebesane wo ho na mi hunu. Na hwɛ, ɛyɛ wo bere, ɔdɔ bere. Na mede me ntam a mekyerɛ wo so. Na mekata wo adagya so na meka wo ntam. Na me ne wo yɛ apam Awurade Nyankopɔn asɛmdi. Na wo yɛ me deɛ. Na mede nsuo dware wo. Na mehohoro wo mogya. Na mesra wo bo. Na mede atade a wadi mu adwani ne hyɛ wo. Na mede sukraman ngoma mpaboa hyɛ wo. Na mede nwera pa kyekyere wo. Na mede sada kata wo ho. Na mede sida kata wo ho. Na mede ahyehyɛdeɛ hyehyɛ wo. Na mede nkapo hyehyɛ wo nsa. Na mede ntweaban kuku. Na mede adwaneɛ hyɛ wo hwene. Na mede asomuadeɛ hyehyɛ wo.
Amen.
Amen.
Israel no nyame na ɛhyɛ n'adeɛ no o yɛ Israel adeɛ tie ni Jacob ɔware ɛwɔ Laban yɛ bosonsom ni ɛna Jacob yere no mmienu Leah ɛna Rachel na abosomfie ɔmo ba bosom no so adeɛ asomadeɛ gold ni bi no de yɛ nkawa ɛne adeɛ nti Jacob Awurade na ɔmo kasa na ɔka kyerɛ ɔmo nyi ɔmo asoma adeɛ no tu gyeme so amen an assemble. Another one. Nanuna, having seekers and the other say, you go to windy. You do. Go to the yapa. You two women, you be a papa. Infinity. So, amen. So, I have big mistake. Obi obeka trust asuma die ne so amen. The because of the Isaiah. Omo ken kan so. See your mama. 3:16.
Chapter 3, verses number 16.
Obi answer no.
Was a man hand for Tim with difference. The Radiaka say, a son says your mamma, ya hand and all to two about going down when it
was a man ya dear. Woman ya end time. And then you ma, woman is so on the ya hand and woman casa, a hand your spirit. A wood hour. And all become was.
Now want to two about going down when it nature nanti. What the Anamon Tintian and Nama were Nancy card. A rubber match you could see your mamma pumping. The ruddy be you and a dejas. On a dejas. And then a ruddy be ya fedia. Of a fedia. And nursing card and nursing card. To my buying near as my buying near Sanafa. And near Sanafa. As soon as soon Ninkapu, me and Nimkata and Gentine. Kinkai. Abuti. Ni night in Temuchia by ni Aboswo. Who shamon tua. Ni Manseri. Betia. Ni minimum mini. In Tadian Setchram. Ne ntaade yuni ngusuo ne nkotokuo nhwehwɛ ne nwrapa ne motire ne nkatanimu na ohwam anamu na kankan besi ohwɛ anamu na kankan besi na ntampe ho ma asi aboso anamu aboso bet boso de ntampe ho ma na besi na anamu na ajipa asi mesa anamu to bi wo mesa onyame so obema na papa mu apa akyemfo yareba na ayintuma asi atade anamu ayituma besi atade anamu na nhihye atwa asi ahofa anamu uyu sua obama ho nhihye atwa asi anamu nipa betotɔ nkranja de be so amen amen wonso aka atade oyu ana aka abo enti ahai ne kyerɛ obi boduku a ɔyɛ ahantan a ɛyɛ kwasi obi ba bɛɛti a ɔyɛ ahantan enti wonkan ha wokan ha na woyi asomadeɛ na ɛwɔ ha no nko a wati bɛna mo sɛ ahantan yɛ de be so amen obi a ɔbɛka kyerɛ sɛ asomadeɛ nyɛ bra wɔboa John Wesley yere ɔte market no sɛ asomadeɛ maki oyere hyɛ asomadeɛ de be so amen David Livingston ne yere ɔhyɛ asomadeɛ Mary Magdalene hyɛ asomadeɛ Joanna hyɛ Kusa yere Anna hyɛ Solomon hyɛ Mary ankasa a wɔwo Yesu no a ɛde abɛn hyɛ Israel for us, almost shall smile. Almost. The more be unto for when it's our shall smile. I was sharing yet, and the Yeshua mistake what's the last warning. Radical son. Or Koji. This or concern the new man in our open. Christ a Numa Samo. Or Senator. Esia. Or Mayakosia. Jebe so amen. Changi na tade ehye na tade foforo. Ana me boa. Ye wie ya de kawaya de ya Adisam. Yesu na nkasa disam wa. Wose sika boso oba fa ne. De koko. Na de anya de Yesu ni ye no kwaye. Emo bi antum futuro mu ani wasoma de mfo ade ehye emo nkoya ne kakraka te se emma no ebo wokare se jebe so amen o dress ya na wo so dress
decent. We Christian. What's all dress? Decent. Jimmy Sokasa, amen. I mean, you don't know now. Sorry, by ya. Wow, no, come on. Not just what you pro. Don't you mark? Hey, what's here? Don't you mark? So for the batch of fire. Jimmy so, amen. One second, one idea will be great to me so. And I'm a boy. A year. So, somewhere then ring. I assume should be identified with share. And I can hear yes, you are. Your puppet, the idea. Into Joseph, see Mary as you are. Now, son should be a cow. Jimmy Sokasa, amen. The bill, a permanent Yamusa. Arieza, Akoya, Rebecca, what did the other boy? When you're the idea, what you go, what in Kapugun and Sa, Jamasokasa, amen. And what be a two for true winning. Obia me mother, and I do my Yimikawa, some wife from far, and get Chadian Wokru. Obia no one to me, send me left my mother. But the one that took no radio Benjamin Jack at them so cow. A radio, now, young someone on us so cow away. One man did jet, it's not in a cow away, the baby some other thing. When the mammy say, I'm a young chap town. You must so casa, amen. As I'm from the agro, your man at your mother. Now we shall.
Asole asole enye se pasa mo se le wo fi e fura ni
Audio Jungle.